Well, the holidays can bring a lot of added stress, but if you are already struggling with an addiction, it can be even more challenging. If you're ready to make a change, then our next guest is here to help you. Chief Medical Officer of Buena Vista Recovery, Dr. Paul Valbuena, joins us. They have 3 locations across the valley. We're going to learn all about them. But first of all, welcome to Sonoran Living, Dr. Valbuena.
Thank you so much for having me today.
This is such an important topic. Let's talk about the reason, a couple of the main reasons why people are seeking treatment these days. What types of addictions are you seeing?
Sure. I think well, historically, you're going to see a lot of alcohol or alcoholism or people addicted to alcohol. That's historic, and that's mainly because of the social acceptance of it. However, what I'm seeing more often and clearly is a huge epidemic currently, and most people know about it, is the opioid epidemic.
Yes. Unfortunately, we talk about it a lot. Yes, and that is so scary. So, and you also mentioned to me that the opioid epidemic is coming in different forms these days.
Oh, it is. It is. And when I talk about fentanyl mainly, it comes in many forms, and we're not talking about the fentanyl manufactured here in the United States. We're talking about illegal manufacturing. And these illegal manufacturers have catered now to our children. They've come out with different colored tablets, different forms, and they're actually putting it in different medications that are similar to like Xanax and Adderall, and they think they're getting something else, but they're actually getting fentanyl.
So they become addicted, and a lot of times we're families observing this. Are there any specific signs, symptoms that we can notice?
Sure. I think the main thing that you want to notice if you have a loved one is you already know their baseline personality. You look for changes in personality, changes in behavior, changes in anger episodes, irritability, and it's just a change in behavior altogether.
And it can change in an instant, right, from one to the other. I want to talk about Buena Vista specifically. Your recovery program and facilities are unique and different than others. How so?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked that question. I think that Buena Vista clearly has state-of-the-art facilities currently. We have private rooms for amenities, and we have a great staff dedicated to the vision of curing addiction.
And most people don't seek out help because they're afraid, right? They don't be unexpected. What would you tell people that you do differently that will help them overcome this addiction?
I think that our staff and health professionals have identified with addiction as a disease. There's a huge stigma associated with addiction these days, and we've learned to destigmatize that addiction process. It makes people more comfortable, and it's something that we have part of our vision.
And a lot of people worry about the detoxification of it because they know what's going to happen. You are medically supervised, obviously.
Oh,
correct?
Indeed. And our roles as healthcare professionals is to make it as comfortable as possible. And there are many other remedies, medications that you can give for comfort to make it a very easy detox stay.
All right. Well, we know that there's so many families watching right now who know somebody or possibly themselves could use the help. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.
Oh, thank you for being here today. I want to give you some more information. You can call 24/7 to discuss treatment options with an advisor. Okay, they're available any time of the day or night. Buena Vista Recovery, they have facilities in Chandler, Scottsdale, and Cave Creek. You can call 602-854-9644 or visit the website to learn more, buenavistarecovery.com.